The Essential Audio Adapter HD is now available for purchase in the United States for $149. By using the MQA Master Quality Authenticated technology built into the Essential phone, the portable accessory is supposed to provide users with a music listening experience. High quality. In simpler words, the Essential phone should offer studio-quality sound through MQA technology, which will be further enhanced with the addition of the new HD audio adapter. According to Essential, this is the first portable accessory that includes the ESS Saber DAC 24-bit/96 kHz audio with hardware MQA rendering, and it is also the smallest 29mm/30mm/11.5mm and lightest 15.5 G of its kind. The MQA technology is relatively new and can be explained as a way to package digital music without limitations. Basically, all the music you normally hear from a streaming service or the songs you bought online have had their information removed to have less storage space on your device. However, part of that information that has been removed contains elements that the artists created to offer a more immersive experience. MQA can capture and unpack songs in a smaller size without removing anything from them.